Hey, sign hunters! Hiya! Shit. Hey, sign hunters! We made it to Slovenia. We are in Borovnica now, and we haven't done a video for a while. And the only reason is that we don't really like this type of broadcasting. So don't expect loads of videos from us in the future. Occasional ones, yes. So this is an occasion now, and it's probably a good occasion, or the best occasion. So let's go, sign hunters. We are going to the hell now. Pekel is waiting for us. It's beautiful, hot and sunny in Slovenia at this time. Maybe we can say we are lucky. The weather is fantastic. How you feeling? Shit.
No, don't feel shit. Just fucking hay fever. Killing me.
We've got to the entrance of the Pekel. Dobrodošli. Welcome. Willkommen. Benvenuti. Katie. Benvenuti. To begin. We got hay fever as well, guys. Katie is doing worse than me though, at least today. And this is the part where the trek actually begins.
Named Pekel Hell by our predecessors, it acquired its name due to the fact that it's not easily accessible and is almost impassable.
But we're gonna pass it. First waterfall is 15 minutes away from here, and the top one, the fifth one, is an hour away. So if we don't faff, we can make it within an hour. Yes! Hell is waiting for us. This is waterfall number 1, 4 meters tall. Oh. So that's waterfall number 2, 16 meter tall. Yes, folks, yes! Yes! This is number 3. Waterfall number 3. How big is it? 18 meters. Yes! Careful. Whew. Waterfall means slap. Number 4. Wicked! I'm feeling. Oh, I'm glad we are here now. Oh. We've done it! Was it difficult, Ken? A little bit. Tricky. But we've done it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later!
Bye!
Bye!
Last one.
Oh, refreshing, man.
Very good.
Yes, we've done it, guys! You are so good. We've done it so well. Oh. See you later.